Welcome to Ruperi Computer Science and Career Institute. Today we solve some examples on application of derivatives. So we solve some examples on application of derivatives. Let us start. For example, number 1, the total cost function. The total cost function is given by C is equal to x raised to 3 plus 2x square plus 5x plus 30. Find the total cost, average cost and marginal cost. Find the total cost, average cost and marginal cost when x is equal to 10. This is your question. Now start solving the question. Solution. Since cost function C is equal to x raised to 3 plus 2x square plus 5x plus 30 is given. Therefore, average cost AC. Therefore, average cost AC is equal to what? C divided, that is cost function, divided by x. Therefore, average cost is equal to AC is equal to what? C divided by x. Okay. Therefore, average cost AC is equal to x raised to 3 plus 2x square plus 5x plus 30 whole divided by x. Yes, is it? Now, next we find marginal cost now. Marginal cost MC. Now, marginal cost is fine, means you have to find the derivative of cost function. That is, MC is equal to what? DC upon dx. Therefore, MC marginal cost is equal to DC upon dx, right? Therefore, next step, right? Therefore, MC is equal to d upon dx into bracket d upon dx into bracket x raised to 3 plus 2x square plus 5x plus 30 bracket close. X raised to 3 plus 2x square plus 5x plus 30 then bracket close. Okay. Now next step, we have to find out the derivative of this cost function. See, derivative of x raised to 3 is what? 3x square. Derivative of 2x square is what? 2 into 2 is 4x. That is 4x. Okay. Derivative of 5x is what? 5 only. And derivative of 30 is what? 30 is constant. That is number. No, this is constant. Right? Therefore, constant function is derivative is 0. Therefore, it is 30's derivative is 0. Therefore, our derivative of the cost function is what? 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay. Therefore, next step I write. Therefore, MC is equal to 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Is it? Now, this is your marginal cost function. This is your marginal cost function. Now, the question is asking you what? Question is asking what? Find the total cost, average cost and marginal cost when x is equal to 10. इसका मतलब क्या है कि आपको क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है कि जबकि x यूनिट्स और x आइटम प्रोड्यूस किए गए हैं तब आपका टोटल कॉस्ट कितना है, एवरेज कॉस्ट कितना है और मार्जिनल कॉस्ट कितना है, ये क्वेश्चन ने पूछा हुआ है. इज इट क्लियर? Therefore, now we find when x is equal to 10, the total cost how much, average cost how much and marginal cost how much, right? Therefore, when I put it, next step I write when x is equal to 10. When x is equal to 10. Now the value x is equal to 10 put in our cost function, then we get what? Total cost कितना है वो मिलेगा आपको, is it? When x item produce, the total cost is, put the value x is equal to 10 in your cost function. Therefore, c is equal to 10 raised to 3. Therefore, c is equal to 10 raised to 3 plus 2 into 10 raised to 2 plus 5 into 10 plus 30. Right? Therefore, next step. Therefore, c is equal to what? C is equal to 1000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 30. Therefore, c is equal to 1000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 30. Is it? Therefore, next step, c is equal means cost total. Therefore, total cost. Therefore, when x is equal to 10, therefore total cost is equal to c is equal to 1280. Okay, you get 1280. Right? Now we find average cost. Now average cost is what? Total cost divided by x, that is 10. Total cost is what? 1280 divided by 10, that is we get what? 128 is what? Our average cost. Therefore, average cost AC is equal to 1280 divided by 10. Divided by 10. Okay. Therefore, average cost is equal to AC is equal to, therefore average cost is equal to AC is equal to 128. Is it? Okay. Now we calculate marginal cost. See, the marginal cost function is what? 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now put the value x is equal to 10 in marginal cost function. Therefore, marginal cost MC is equal to 3 10 raised to 2 plus 4 10 into 10, that is plus 5. Okay, is it? Now this is what? 4 into 10 is 40 plus 5 45, and this is what? 100, and that 345. Therefore MC, therefore marginal cost MC is equal to 345. This is your answer. Okay. Now next, take the example 2. Example 2. The total revenue function is given by R is equal to 30d minus 2d square plus d raised to 3. Find the demand function. Also find the total revenue, average revenue, and marginal revenue. When the demand is 5 units. Now let us start solving this question. solution. Since revenue function R is equal to, since total revenue function R is equal to 30D minus 2D square plus D raised to 3. This is given, right? Therefore, P into D is equal to 30D minus 2D square plus D raised to 3. See, R is what? R is equal to P into D. Is it? Revenue is what? P into D, right? Therefore, the substitute value of R is P into D. Huh? Now, P into D, that is, that D take right side, it should be divided. And the D is take common the numerator, that is 30D, 2D square and D raised to 3. Therefore, D takes common. And D and left side D is gone, no? Is it? Therefore, next step we get what? P is equal to what? 30 minus 2D plus D square. See, D is gone. Take out common from both the sides, right? And D is gone. Therefore, next step I write P is equal to 30 minus 2D plus D square. Okay? This is your P is what now? This is your demand function, right? Therefore, demand function is P is equal to 30 minus 2D plus D square. Is it? Now, demand function is good. Now, next, marginal revenue. To find marginal revenue, that is what? Derivative of demand, that is revenue function, right? With respect to demand, marginal revenue is what? Derivative of revenue function with respect to demand, that is dr upon dd. Is it? Marginal revenue definition is what? Derivative of revenue with respect to demand. Is it? Therefore, dr upon dd. Is it? Therefore, next step, therefore, MR is equal to D upon dd into bracket 30D minus 2D square plus 30D raised to 3. Okay? D upon dd into bracket 30D minus 2D square plus D raised to 3. Okay? Now, here is also separate derivative. First calculate and write the sign whatever inside that. Okay? Therefore, MR is equal to what? 30D. Derivative of 30D is what? 30. Minus 2D square's derivative is what? Minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4D. Okay? And plus D raised to 3 derivative what? D raised to 3's derivative is 3D square. Therefore, our next step, MR is equal to, therefore, marginal revenue MR is equal to 30 minus 4D square, 4D plus 3D square. Okay? Is it clear? Now, next, when X is equal to, demand D is equal to 5. When the demand is 5 units, now you have to find out what? Total revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue, right? When demand is 5 units. Therefore, next is what? Find total revenue. Okay? Therefore, total revenue is equal to R. And R is equal to what? 30 into 5 minus 2 into 5 square plus 5 raised to 3. Okay? Therefore, R is equal to, therefore total revenue R is equal to 225. Okay, 225. Okay, next you get total revenue. Now next, average revenue. Therefore, average revenue is equal to what? P. Average revenue is equal to P. P is equal to 30 minus 2 into 5, that is, and 5 raised to 2. Right? Is it? And next, now P is equal to, means average revenue is equal to, average revenue is equal to, how much that is? That is 45. Okay? 45. Okay. Now next, we calculate marginal revenue. Marginal revenue is equal to what? This is 30 minus 4 into 5 plus 3 pi square. Okay. Therefore, marginal revenue, therefore marginal revenue is equal to 85. Is it clear? This is your final answer. Right? So today's enough.